everyone, team. Welcome back to the sessions. Let me start the session for today. Meanwhile, others can join parallelly. So just I'm waiting for a couple of students to join team. So there's a reason just I waited for a couple of minutes. So as I told you, from tomorrow, please join the session by sharp 7:30 team. There will be no delay in the session. From tomorrow, my Zoom will be open by 7:29 p.m. every day because after 8:30, I have one more slot for another batch that going on currently team. So please make yourself available by sharp 7:30 every day. Okay. So team, let me start the session for today. So in the last week, Wednesday and Thursday, 2 days, we have demos team. On Friday, I have not taken the session. Some of you are in confusion team. I think a couple of students reaching out to our support team today, asking for the Friday recording. So Wednesday and Thursday last week, we have demos. That is on April 30th and May 1st. These 2 days, we have demos team. On Friday, I have given the break. 2nd May, there is no session. Don't worry. In your portal, only 2 sessions you will be seeing team. Friday, we didn't have the session. We have given the break. As such, many of the students enrolled till Friday evening team. And couple of students requested to give the break to cover the 2 sessions. We have given break for Friday team. Saturday and Sunday, by default, we don't have sessions every week. Monday to Friday is our schedule. So Wednesday and Thursday, 30th April, May 1st, 2 demos we have taken up team. So from today, I'm going to start with our regular sessions team. Before starting the class today, let me make you clear on some points team. What are they? People who confirmed their enrollments. I mean, all of you maximum confirm. 1 or 2 who requested only we shared the demo link today team. I mean to say meeting link. For the people who confirmed the enrollment over the last 3 days team, every one of you will be getting 2 things done. People who attending the call. Again, I'm telling you, very important. It's your duty also to get it done. Just paying the fee and you are not checking up the activities means you will be losing something. But before that, can any one of you please confirm my voice is clear to everyone team, or still is there any break or any glitch in my voice?
Yes, it is clear, audible.
It's
Yes.
very clear. Yes, clear.
Thank you. Because I can see one message from Kavita Bhattu. Kavita, please, once you please log off and log in again. Probably from your side also, you might have a connectivity issue. Thank you. So 2 things I want to make you clear with every one of your team. Each one of you have to get clarified with these 2 things. What are they? Number 1, whether every one of you received email from our institute or not. You paid the fee, you have shared the screenshot to the support team, and have you received the portal access? What is that portal access? I told you, right? Every one of you will be getting this TrioTech portal access team, because every day sessions will be recorded and will be uploaded in the portal. First 2 days, as part of our regular promotional activity, our team might have shared you YouTube links in the group or in your WhatsApp messages team. But starting from today, you won't be getting the sessions as YouTube videos. Everyone get yourself checked. Few of the people team, when we sending the emails, because of some technical issues, our emails are landing up in your spam folders. Everyone who enrolled, please check your spam folders also team. Over the last 3 days, to all the participants, our team created the user accounts and they have shared portal access to everyone. So in that, it's very clear. Again, one point. I'll come. Pritesh or people who having a concern, I'll come to you. But let me explain what are the things that you have to get by yourself, so that you can ask me if you have any technical aspects that are pending to you. Okay. One more thing here, team. In the email, the steps were clearly given to you. How to access TrioTech e-learning portal. You have two options, team. E-learn and live classes. You enrolled for live classes. I'm teaching you every day. I'm taking live sessions every day. You should click on this live classes login. Some of you logging in e-learn and you are saying that your credentials are not working. Please take this point noted, team. Once after coming to our website, live classes login, yellow color button. This is your login, team, not e-learn. That is different thing. E-learning means video course who purchase, they will access that. Yours is live classes, team. Go to live classes login, input your user ID and password in the dashboard area here, and click on login and check it out. Here, if you come to enrolled courses, some of you stuck in here and you are sharing this screenshot also. We are not able to see our course. Scroll down the page. You have some more options coming up here. Go to enrolled course here. Your course will come and show here, team. So whatever the course that you enrolled, your course will be shown here, team, in the enrolled courses. So click on the course and then you can able to access your sessions every day here, team. So these are very important things, because every day after the class, you have to refer the videos also, team. To Sorry, team. Sorry, everyone. I got disconnected because there is some network glitch here. Sorry for that. I'm back. So let me share the session. Okay. So where we are, team, I'm explaining you, everyone should be getting this portal access. If you have not received emails, please do check out with our admin team so that they will help you out with the portal access, team. Every day sessions will upload in the portal. This is something which is seriously taken, team, or else for your practice purpose, if you have to refer the sessions, you cannot able to do that, team. So this is one thing. And we also shared you community link to join into the community for your batch, team. In that particular batch, we will be adding all of you, team. Anything going forward that I have to communicate, team, like any materials I want to share with you or any class links I want to share with you, I will be communicating to you from the WhatsApp community. So please do follow that WhatsApp community to get any sort of updates from my side, from TrioTech team. So these two things, everyone, to be clarified from tomorrow, team. I mean, like by tomorrow. If you have not received portal access, I'm telling you again, please do reach out to the support or the admin team. They will get your access done, right? These two things, please take care of, team. Now, one more thing is, we have also shared Fusion application access to you for practice purpose, team, right? So we have given a URL along with user ID and password. So you can use our user ID and password that what we have given to you for practicing. Couple of people asking that, can I have a separate application for myself alone? That is technically not feasible, and anywhere, even in the real-time companies also, it's not possible, team. So every one of us will be working in the same application. Whatever the user ID that we have given to you, please use that and you practice whatever that we're starting from today. Two environments we have shared to your team. You can use any of them. It's up to you. Whenever a password refresh happen, any reset happen, we will update you in the community team so that you can able to follow that and you can proceed further. Okay. So these things I want to inform you before starting the session for today. Because few of you are having a confusion, having a large group, I have to clarify you in the session only. I'm explaining you these things. Now, let me start the topic for today, team. See, in the last 2 days, what we have discussed, team, let me have a quick recap of them because last couple of days we have weekends, 3 days gap we got, team. Many of you might be forgetting what we have discussed so far. Let me have a quick recap about the things that what we have discussed in the last 2 days, team. On the day one demo, team, I have explained you what is ERP, what is this Oracle Fusion applications team, and what is the Fusion application evaluation overview, the background of the Fusion application. These all things I have explained you in our day one demo, team. And then I also explained you what are the types of companies involved in the usability of this Oracle Fusion application. Who is vendor company, who is client or customer, who is consulting company. Once we learn this technology, in what sort of companies that we will work, that all I have explained you here, team. And then I spoke about Fusion environment releases, team. This Excel had to be shared today after the class. I will share with you in the community. You can find, team. So what is the Fusion environment release? Then what is the latest version of the application? And also I explained you Fusion environment upgradation policy. What is the upgradation policy that Oracle follow yearly to upgrade their application? Quarterly upgradation, the numbering sequence that Oracle follow for their application to give upgrades, team. These things we discussed, team. And then I introduced to you modules in this Oracle HCM Cloud. What are functional, what are technical, right? How many modules we have in total in this subject? Then what is this training is about, team? Then what sort of roles, the career opportunities in the market we have, that we discussed in our day one demo session, team. During that time only, I have also explained you all the course highlights, team. What is the duration of the training? Okay. Weekly, how many days, timings of the program, what benefits that you will be getting as part of this program, and what placement related activities that happens in TrioTech. These all things we have seen in our day one demo, team. And on day two, I have introduced it to you. What, team? Anyone remember? I spoke about Oracle certification process in the system, team. If at all anyone want to apply certification, how that happening in the market, module wise Oracle will conduct the exam, I told you. Then what is the examination pattern? What is the cost incurred? How many questions you will get? Pass percentage. What is the validity? Where you should go and book your exam? And what support you will be getting from TrioTech to clear your certification? First of all, whether it is mandatory or not. These things also we discussed in our day two class, team. And then I also introduced to you Oracle Fusion repository. how to access Oracle standard materials from the internet, where we have to go, how to download the Oracle books from the internet, and every quarterly upgrade when Oracle doing, where we have to go and where we have to find the release notes, new enhancements, what Oracle bringing in the new upgrade, where we have to navigate in the internet, where we have to find these things we discussed in our day 2 session team. And also on day 2, I have introduced to you what are the different names that we should call our Fusion application in real time. Any client, assuming Reliance as a client, when Reliance buy the product from Oracle, how the Fusion application will be delivered. Cloud-based deployment model means what? What are the different terminologies that we should refer in real-time companies when we are working? The Fusion application names I have explained you in our second class team. And customer to customer, what is the difference in the URL? The 4-character pod number I told you, right, team? What is that differentiation? How we can identify which client application is what? These things we have seen in our second class on Thursday. Okay. Then I told you we have production test environment, but these are too early to discuss. Once we go to our workshop sessions on project implementation, I will explain you. I told you, team. Till here, we have seen in our demo class 2, right? Now, from today,
Can I ask you one question?
yes, sir.
So Kumar, just want to ask you, like, I'm totally new. So like, I think you have started the classes, right? So if you want to enroll, so we will join the new batch or we will continue in this batch?
You can join in this batch. I think team sharing a Google form link, Pritesh, I mean, you fill that form. After the
Okay.
session, they will reach you and they will explain you, okay?
Okay,
Yeah.
and second thing, just want to know about the Oracle University fees. That will be paid directly to the US, right?
No,
Or
Oracle University fee, why you are talking about, I mean, to say like, what is the question here? I didn't get you.
so course fees, two hundred
No,
and
no, no,
fifty
that is not,
dollars
no, no, no.
to be
You are not
paid
directly
to.
paying anything to Oracle University. You are paying to TrioTech software trainings. Let us discuss that offline. A slight confusion you might have.
Okay.
Probably your company might be paying on behalf of you, I believe, right?
No, I just want to make the payment. So for the, like examination
I'll
fees to
explain
the
you.
US
Pritesh, after
for.
the session, we'll discuss. Let me go with the topic. That technical things we will discuss, no problem.
No problem. All
Payment
right.
details and all team will guide you after the session. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank
Team,
you.
I'll take up the questions. I mean, like with regards to enrollment, we can talk later, but let me focus on the concept that what we planned for today. Okay. Enrollment and all, okay, fine. 1 hour, 2 hour late, you can do no issue. Team will guide you. So from today, we are going to start with our regular topics team. What we are going to start with team? Let us have introduction to the application team. Let me show you how the Fusion application looks like. When we log in, what are the home screen functionalities we have in the system? And then I'll start with our very first module for today, that is security administration in the system team. Any project implementation you go in real time, any client you might be implementing team, the very first concept that we will be working on will be this security administration module team. So first, let me introduce to you the Fusion application look and feel, how to log in into the system, what are the home screen functionalities we have, and then I will start with the introduction to security module in the Fusion system. What is security in Fusion system? What concepts we have in this module? Let us start with that today, team. So, as I told you, team, when any customer or any client buy the product from Oracle team, as Fusion applications are on a cloud-based deployment model applications team. Application will be delivered just in the form of URL I told you. So this is Fusion application team. Just to go to any browser team. But usually Oracle suggested browser for their Fusion applications is Firefox. We have Firefox, this one team. Every one of you know, right? Firefox. This is the search engine that Oracle usually suggesting for their Fusion applications team. Google Chrome also will work fine. Even Edge browser also will work fine. But majority of the cases, Firefox is the internet search engine that Oracle suggests team. But you can use whatever you want. It's up to you. Nothing problem. I usually habituated in Google Chrome. I will use that only team. Just pass the URL team. This is Fusion application. Just pass the URL. Click on enter. It will prompt you for sign in team. So this is the main login page. Whenever you want to access the Fusion application team, this is the login page. It will prompt sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. And you have user ID and password system asking. Like every other application team. See, if you want to log in into your Instagram profile, you want to log in into your Gmail account, or you want to log in into your LinkedIn account, obviously you should have an account in that application, right? With your credentials only, you could able to log in. Similarly, in order to access Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team, we should have access to the application team. User ID and password will be asked team. Kumar, who will provide to us what we will do in the real-time projects? I will tell you one by one next when we're starting the security module team. Okay. Every one of us, when we are in the projects team, we all will have user account access. Now, who we are team? We are the implementation consultants team. Reliance Industries, let's assume, buying the product from Oracle. What Reliance will do? Reliance will give the project to Deloitte or Infosys or Accenture. Let's assume team Oracle given the Reliance given the project to Deloitte team. So let's assume we are working here in this company team. So this is the implementation partner, consulting company, or we can also call it as implementation partner company team. For whom? For Reliance Industries team. Reliance bought the product from Oracle. Okay. Now Reliance wants someone to configure the system according to the requirement team. All these modules they want to use. So Reliance want someone to configure the system according to their requirement team. So what Reliance will do? Reliance will give the project to so-called software companies in the market. Let's assume Reliance given the project to Deloitte team. So we will be working in these IT companies in this technology team as a software engineers. Okay. So for example, Deloitte deploying, let's say 10 resources team. So we are one among these 10, let's assume. Okay. All of you assume that you are working in Deloitte. You with a team of 10 resources, your company mapped you to this project Reliance team. The example I'm taking Reliance and Deloitte. It could be anything. Okay. You will be working in these software companies team. And when your client get the project, they will give the project to your team. So you people have to configure their system according to their requirement team. So in the real-time projects, we are called as implementation users team. Who we are team? Implementation users or implementation team we call as. So every one of us will have access to the client system team. All of us will have user accounts and password because we have to log in into the client application and we have to configure all the modules to the client team. When Reliance buy the product from Oracle, they will get the raw form of product with all the functionalities, with all the features, Oracle Fusion application they will get. But Reliance have to customize it according to their requirement team. So Reliance will give the project to so-called IT companies according to their budgets, billings, whatever is feasible, which is economical, which is reasonably costing wise, which is good to them. They will give the project to them team. So when we go for the project team, every one of us will have access to the client application team because we have to start configure their system. So this user account part, how to get the user account to the client system, that only we are going to start next team. In the security administration module, we will be touch basing how to create user accounts in the system, how we will get access to the client application in the real-time team. But as of now, let me log in and let me introduce to you the basic home screen functionalities in the system. Then I will start with security module team. Okay. So team, as of now, I have my training user ID. I am giving my user ID and password team. And one more thing I want to tell you. Fusion applications are multi-language supported applications team. What is multi-language? See, Oracle is not a small company and Oracle Fusion application is not confined only to US market or UK market team. Oracle is a very big brand, right? Oracle is having customers across the world. Almost 90 countries Oracle having their customer comes from team. So Oracle, to give the more regional experience team, localized experience to their customers, Oracle also supports multi-language for their Fusion applications team. So it's not only in English. In our childhood or even now, if anyone from rural background stream, even my father is comfortable using his mobile in own native language, in Telugu or in Hindi, right? So similarly, Fusion applications also multi-language supported applications team. Whenever we logging into the system only, here we have the option select language team. If you click on this drop down, right? These are the languages that currently Fusion applications are supported team. So currently in English by default. So I'm giving something Japanese here team language. Now everything will change to Japanese team. See, everything here, here, here. If I sign in also, the entire application language will be in Japanese team. If not that team, let's say I want it in Arabic. This is a real team. Some of the clients, when we were working, I was working for a Chinese client. He want his application to be in own Chinese language. They want to use that in own Chinese language team. And few of my Arabic clients also from Saudi Arabia, I was implementing a couple of projects. They used to use the system in their own native language team. So here you can select your language. See, if I choose Arabic, entire things change it team. If I click on sign in, entire application will come in that language. So while you are logging into the system only, you can choose the language. One important point, everyone to be noted. It doesn't impact other users' team. It is only for my login. It's not for everyone. When I select a language and I sign in, I'm not restricting this for all people who are using the system. No, it's only for my account, for my login. Okay. So I'm selecting English only team and then I'm clicking on sign in. So before that team, we have forgot password. Like every other application, we have team. If you forgot your user ID or password team, okay, you can click on forgot password. See, if you click on this team, see forgot password. System asking to give username or email, whatever you remember. Usually team, whenever our accounts gets created in the real-time project, our email ID will be given team. So we can pass our email team and you can choose the option, whether you forgot your username or you forgot your password, give your email, select the option and submit. System will send the password reset link or username to your email ID team. so that you can able to reset your password to the account also. If not all these things, you are pretty much clear. This is my user ID and password I inputted team. And if I click on sign in, I will be logging into the Fusion application team. So this is the Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications look and feel, the home screen of the system team. Few of you might come from EBS background. Few of you might come from Salesforce, sorry, SAP or Microsoft Dynamics or different other ERPs you might be experienced in. But this is the user interface team. This is the look and feel of the Fusion applications. Cloud-based deployment means this. I have not installed it anywhere in my laptop or in my PC. I have not run any software in the system. Just I have given my URL, user ID and password. I could able to access the system. So that is the reason team, many clients, many companies in the current scenario where the applications utilization became very easy to access just with a basic laptop with good internet sufficient team, right? They don't need to have i7 laptops or they don't need to have a graphic cards to run the system, nothing. A basic bare minimum i3 processor laptop is sufficient. So that is the reason many clients, many companies nowadays moving towards the cloud-based applications team. I'm not saying it's Oracle Fusion alone. Any application on a cloud front, companies are adopting nowadays team. Okay. Now we logged in. This is the home screen team. What are these things team? See, I could able to see different sections here. Sales, Redwood sales, service, me, procurement, my client group. And if I click on this arrow towards the right, that pointing team, I can able to see the options moving from left to right. And again, I can click on this arrow, the options moving from left to right, right? And then team, when I select these options here, let's say I clicked on this my client group, I could able to see several sub icons coming up: hiring, journeys, new person, person management, person spotlight, absences. If I go to me, select that, I could able to see different tiles or options coming up team, help desk. So team, this entire section, whatever I am scrolling team here, please focus on my cursor, where my cursor is moving. This entire area team, we call it as springboard in the system. What is that team? These are really important. You might think that they are very basic, but in the real-time project when you are working, everything from basic to complex you should know team. So when you log in into the system, the main home screen of the system, this entire region, we call it as springboard in the system team. And each section, what you are seeing here team, let's say my client groups, okay, procurement, me, service, each section, we call it as functional area in the system. What is that team? This entire area, we call it as springboard, okay? And each section in the springboard, you will call it as functional area. And under functional area, whatever you are seeing team, under my client groups, I have different options coming up. So this is functional area, and these things, we call it as sub-functional areas in the system. Okay, functional area and sub-functional area. Whatever functional areas that you see in the springboard, in the horizontal arrangement team, okay, on the top left, we have 3 lines coming up team. See my cursor? If I keep my cursor over there, what is that team? We call it as navigator. What is that? We call it as navigator. So whatever we seeing on the functional area, I mean springboard functional areas, we can able to see in the navigator also. If I click on this, in the vertical arrangement team, here all these are in horizontal way. Everything, see, starting from sales, Redwood, service, see here, sales, Redwood, service, me, procurement, my client group, everything here in the vertical arrangement team. So if I expand that, so let me click on my client groups. I could able to see hiring, journeys, new person, person management. If I click on this team, if I expand this arrow for my client groups, I'm clicking on this down arrow team. See, hiring, journeys, new person, person management, person spotlight, apps. So team, it's up to you. What is your convenience? If any functionality you want to pick up, either from the Springboard, you can come and you can pick up, see my client group, and I'm going to something called new person. So basically it's a HR transaction team. If HR want to hire an employee, after we hand over the system to the client, they will do from here team, hire an employee. See, I came from here. If not team, the same transaction, I even can perform from here also. See, from navigator, click on 3 lines, a bar will open team, then my client group, then come to new person, click on it. Then you will end up on same screen, new person, hire an employee, see team, I can come to the same transaction. So this is Springboard and that is navigator. You can find these all things here, or even you can find these things here also team. Then what are these home screen functionalities team? We have a home button here. What is this? Like every other app device you use, mobile or iPad or any Android tab you use team. Whenever you are using that, you be on any application on any screen. If you want to come to the main screen, just you will click on the home button. You will come to the main screen, right, in your mobile. Same with the Fusion system. You be on any screen team. Let's say I'm going to some screen here, my client group, something, absences, I'm clicking up. I'm going to absence and some screen I'm going on here team. I want to come to the main home screen. Just one click away. If I click on home button, my screen is loading. I'll come to the main home screen. So that is home button in the system team. And then we have this star icon. What is this team? Favorites and recent items. See, even in our Google Chrome, we have a bookmarking concept. How many of you know, friends? You can bookmark the URL, right? You can bookmark that tab. So usually any important links that you want to save in your browser, you can bookmark this tab team, correct? Quickly you can access them. So that similar concept team, this star mark here is, what is that? Favorites and recent items. For example, team, any user in the system, let's assume once we hand over the system to the client, we configure all the modules team for HR, absence, payroll, talent, all modules. We hand it to the client. Now the client side people started using the system team. Let's say any employee by name you take, Mr. Rajiv is there, okay, or Kiran is there, who is working in our client organization as a HR associate team. So every day Kiran's work is, as soon as he come to office every day, Kiran will go to my client group. Basically team, this is a core HR transaction area. If HR want to hire an employee in the Fusion system, they will come to my client group, new person, hire an employee, and in the system, the record can be created for the employee here team. So let's assume there is one employee by name Mr. Kiran in your client company who is working as a HR associate. Every day, Kiran's duty is, after coming to the office, he will go to my client group, whoever hiring employee data is there, recruiting team will give to Kiran and Kiran will create the records team. Every day he will come to new person, hire an employee. So Kiran can bookmark his favorites team. How you know? Come to my client group, go to that screen team, the transactional screen, or let's say hire an employee. Beyond that screen team, click on star button, come to favorites team, okay? Click on add to favorites. So click on add to favorites. So hire an employee team. So you can create a folder team, new folder, something you can give like my daily routine tasks, something like that team. I'm giving the folder name team, my daily routine tasks, save and close, right? Then after hire an employee every day, Kiran will go to this person management work area. and he'll perform some transaction here, team. Even that also, I'm going to favorites, go to add to favorites. Under my daily routine, even that search person area also, I'm saving team. Now team, the very next day, when Kiran come to the office, when he log in, rather than going to my client group, new person, hire an employee, simply Kiran can come to this favorites button, team. This is his folder. So see, the transactions were saved here. If Kiran click on hire an employee, directly he will go to that screen. See, hire an employee. It means what, team? Your day-to-day life most used screens, you can add them in your favorites, team. So clickable access you can see get here, team. In a very quickest way, you can access your configurations or transactional screens, team. Favorites button is that one. How we bookmark our URLs in the browser, team. Same way in the system, any user, any of his most used screens every day, he can add to his favorites, team. Quickly they can come and they can access that. See, search person, screen loading. Directly I came to this search person screen, team. Like that, favorites button is there. And then team, beside favorites, we have team. Beside favorites, we have team recent items. See, even in our Chrome or Firefox also, search history will be there. Am I right or wrong? What are the recent searches you have done in your browser? You can able to check your history, team. If you come here, you can have your somewhere history. If you go team, you can able to check out, right? The history recently what you have scrolled. Similarly, within the Fusion system, what are the recent screens that we navigated? You can check out here, team, in the star button, recent item. See, just 1 minute back, I came to search person area, team. Prior to that, hire an employee. Prior to that, again, hire an employee. New person, hire an employee. Then absence certification, administration. The recent 10-15 screens that what I have navigated, I can check out, team. This is recent items tab, and this is favorites tab of your user account, team. So home button, and this is favorites and recents button, and this is watch list, team. This is basically nothing to do from HCM product point of view. And one more thing I want to tell you here, very importantly, take it as very noted point, team. Because when you're learning this technology, you should be very clear and should be very clarity enough with this point. What is that, I told you, under Fusion applications, Oracle offering multiple products in the market, team. We are learning about Oracle HCM. Stay focused, very important point, team. Okay, very basic thing, but very important clarity everyone should have. What is that? As part of Fusion family, Oracle offering different ERP products, team. Oracle Fusion HCM is our product. We will deal with HR related business area solution, team. Under Oracle Fusion, we have Oracle Fusion Financials Cloud. We also have the training in our institute. Abhishek sir will be taking that sessions, my colleague. Okay. Then we have Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management, Oracle Fusion Procurement Management, Oracle Fusion PPM, Project Portfolio, then Oracle Fusion CRM Cloud, CPQ Sales Team. Different products Oracle offering under Fusion. We are learning about HCM team. So in reality, when any customer buy the product from Oracle, for example, Reliance buying the product from Oracle team. So during this time, Reliance want to use Oracle HCM, financials, and supply chain. Along with HCM team, my client Reliance want to also use Oracle Fusion Financials for their finance activities to manage, and Oracle Fusion SCM, supply chain management, for their operations activity to maintain. So when any company buying the product from client, see, many people will have this confusion, team. In the interviews, in 1 or 2 questions only, you will easily identified by the interviewer that you are not a really experienced person. You are just keeping fake experience and you are attending the interview. These are basic things. Everyone should have knowledge team. What is that team? When any company buy the product from Oracle, when they pay the fee for the product stream, different URLs Oracle will not give. For HCM, separate application. For finance, separate application. For supply chain, separate app. No. Everything will be licensed within the same application. HCM, finance, supply chain, PPM, CRM, whatever our client paid the fee to Oracle, subscriber team, all products will be delivered within the same environment. Okay. So why I'm telling this point, team? Here, this watch list concept, team, is related to financials and supply chain business area, team. Nothing to deal with HCM, you can ignore. That is why I just want to let you know this concept also. Everyone clear, right? When you are in the project, don't discuss with your friends that for finance separate application will have nothing like that, team. All products within the same environment Oracle will deliver to the client, but they are differentiated based upon the roles that we have in the system. Security concept, when we are starting, team, I will tell you that how we will have different roles for different products and all, right? Then, team, we have bell icon here. What is this bell icon? Today only we started this module for morning batches, team. We have something here called workflows and approvals, team. I told you when I'm explaining you the course modules in our day one session, I told you we have one module called workflows and approvals in the system, team. Across all the modules, team, this concept of approval enablement will be there. Means what, team? For every configuration or the transaction that is being performed in these modules, team, if your client expecting an approval to go to concerned manager's team, we have approval concept in the system. It means your client given you the requirement that, hey Kumar, in my organization, whenever any employee apply the leave in the system, it should go for concerned manager approval. Hey Kumar, if any HR hiring a new employee in the system, it should go for concerned HR manager's approval. Or Kumar, if today HR perform any transfer to any employee in the system, it should go for manager approval. Or any employee submitted resignation in the system, it should go to his manager for approval. Approval concept we have, team. If you are working professionals, you are already aware of how in the companies this sort of HR tools will work, team. You know about these approvals concept. When you apply the leave, it will go to your manager approval. No, we have that concept in the Fusion HCM system, team. So all the managerial cadre people or the HR cadre people of the client side, they will receive the notifications in the bell icon. So here approve, reject buttons, they will have, team. They can give their approval or rejection to that notification in the bell icon. So these are the functionalities we have on the home screen. These things are not required, team. And then if you come to the right side, settings and action, team, if you click on this, team, this is your name, HCM implementation. My name is HI coming up, team. If your name is Rajesh Verma, here it will come as RV in short. Okay. So here, team, you can able to check out here settings and action. So every day after our work, if an employee want to log out from the system, team, he can click on sign out, team, and he can log out to the system. See, if I click on sign out, my page is loading. I will be logging out of the system, team, right? Then what we have, just again, let me log in back. Then what else we have, team, here in the right side, settings and action. Okay. If I come here, team, I have personalization, administration. We have a couple of options, team. But these things, over the due course of time, you will be understanding what is this personalization concept means. We can able to set up the preferences, accessibility settings, or administration, team. What is this setup and maintenance, edit pages? For all these things, we have lined up topics team. When we come to the topics, you will be understanding what are all these aspects in the system. Okay. So here, if you come to about this application team, like out of curiosity, if you want to check out what is the version of this application team, you can even check out the servers that what we given to you for practice. They're up to date. As of today, May 5th, what is the latest version that only we give. You can check out here team. About this application, if you come, what is the latest version of the application, you can check out team. See, 25B, 11.13. And REL 13. Already this I have explained in our day 1 session only, but just I'm sharing your team. So you can sign out here. You can click on about this application and these things team, administration, personalization. These we will come to the concepts when we have the topics lined up for the day's team. Okay. Then team, the Springboard work area. You can even simply personalize this Springboard also team. For example, in any of these functional area, I want to hide any of these icons team. Let's say my client telling, hey Kumar, under my client groups, this hiring, I don't want Kumar. Can you please hide this out? Or Kumar, I don't want this profiles option to be coming under my client group. Simple thing. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Here you have plus icon. Everywhere team. In every section you have plus icon team at last. If you go to help desk, you have a plus icon team. Personalized Springboard. Any functionality you go team. Okay. Click on that plus icon team. Personalized Springboard. So you will be landing upon this app section. So whatever the functional areas we have team. Sales, Redwood sales, service, me, procurement, everything, whatever you're seeing there team, the main functional area, under that what we have team. Now, under my client groups, hiring, I unchecked. Then profiles, I unchecked. Then journeys, I unchecked, right? See, I have disabled them team. Now let me click on save and close. Now you go and check out team. Okay. Now come to my client group. Where is that hiring? Where is that journeys? Where is that profile? It's gone. Hide it out. So if you want to put them back, then again go to personalized Springboard team. Okay. Then scroll down, go to your my client group, enable back team, hiring, journeys, profile. Like every functional area, it's not about only my client groups, everything team. You can able to simplify or personalize your Springboard functionalities from here team. Okay. So now when I come to my client group, they're back. Hiring coming up, journeys coming up, then profiles came back, right team? Everything came back now team. So this is personalization of Springboard functionalities team. And if I scroll down the home screen functionalities team, things to finish. What is this team? See, when we log in, a managerial cadre person or a HR person, I told you, will receive all the notifications in his bell icon team. One more copy, whatever he receives in the bell icon, even he can find here also team in things to finish, whatever assigned to him the approvals team. He can check out his approvals from here also. Okay, whatever he initiated and assigned to someone, that also we can check out team. So things to finish, we have here team. Then we have here news and announcement work area. So any news that company published team, like anything that company want to share with their employees team. So here news and announcement feature is there. Backend, we have a configuration team. So whenever there is a need, any news that company want to share with their employees team, some policies that want to share with the employees. So in the backend, they will upload the documents and all team. In the front end for every employee, when he log in the home screen, he can able to see the news and announcements team. What is that new announcement is about? He can click on that. He can read that announcement. What is that? And he can get known about that team. So any news that company want to share with their employees, they can able to have the news and announcement area team. So these are the home screen functionalities in the system team. And this is the look and feel of the Fusion application, right? Now team, okay. Now we got to the, we got assigned with the project team when we are working in the real time. So take yourself as an example that you are working for a company called Deloitte team. Your team of 10 people deployed for the client. Let's assume Reliance is your client team. So when we go for the project implementation team, we all of us, all of our team members should have access to the client application team. So how our user accounts will be created team, who will create the user accounts and access to the client system team, right? That we have to be knowing in the module of security administration. So today I cannot start that team. In tomorrow's session, I will be starting with our very first module in the system, that is security administration team. So this is one of the most important module in the entire HCM training team. Okay, from the point of interviews you consider, or from the point of real-time projects when you are working also, definitely you will be working in this concept of security team. Okay. Uh, in security only, we are going to see the user account creation part. And when a user login team, now I logged in with my user account team, I could able to see several functionalities here team. How I could able to see all these functionalities team? In Fusion system, we have the concept of roles-based access control. When I log in, to which all functionalities, to which all modules the user should have access, we have the concept of roles in the system that controlling team. So in security module, we will be talking about them. How to create user access in the system and what roles to be given to that user. How the access provisioning to the user. That all we will be touch basing in the security module team. So I'll take up this topic freshly in tomorrow's session team. For next 3 days, tomorrow, day after, and the next 3 classes, we will be spending in the security module team. Okay. So any questions as such in the last 3 days sessions team? Or are we good with the topic for today or the last 2 days? Any questions online people?
Yeah, Kumar, regarding
Yes,
this security administration,
Mhm.
the URL you use, you have given two URLs, right? One is for
Mhm.
stable, another is for demos, I think so.
Correct. Correct.
For security, we should use the stable or demos.
Demo one you use, EQJZ, this one. Today we shared, no, morning.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay,
EQJZ, HCM.lab is the user account, use that one.
okay, okay.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah,
you.
yeah.
Yeah, hi Kumar.
Yes, Sharat.
Yeah, one small doubt. I mean, like on I think Friday, I think you have shared these URLs. Sorry, not URLs, like instance. Like you have to say right
Yeah,
instances.
yeah.
So like I was able to log in because you asked us to check whether we are able to log in. So with HCM.stable, we were able to log in. But I think
Okay.
like HCM.lab, I think
It
uh,
expired. That's what. See, actually,
not
I thought of
expired. It was saying like authentication failed.
authentication failed. Actually, next session, tomorrow, that topic we are going to come. But let me give you that clarity. Even Krishna also having that doubt, I believe. See, this one, EUTH Dev 19. This pod number, you please make a note. EUTH Dev 19. And the username is HCM.stable. This is your private instance team. We will have no issue with this one. Okay. And the other one we shared on Friday was ETAJ. Problem will be with, it's not problem by nature, the process team. Here we won't have any issue with that non-refreshable instance. You can practice it, all the things team. This ETAJ, what we have given team, usually demo instances will be there with a health time of 3 days, sometimes 5 days, or maximum 1 week. So whenever Oracle refreshes we will share the new demo instance to you. So today morning, in the place of ETAJ, we shared you this one, EQJZ. So whenever you get the username with hcm.lab, LAB, assume it as our demo instance. So demo instances, use it for security practices. Tomorrow I will tell you, you will get some clarity about what is security access and all. This dev19, whatever we have, EUTH, that is stable. We don't have any refresh as such. You can able to practice them in the system directly. Okay.
Hey Kumar, this is Namit. I have a question regarding the insurance. Ideally, the organization, when they purchase,
Namit,
any kind of
some
ERP.
echo is coming in your voice. I'm not clear with your sound. Can you
Okay.
put some
Is
earphone or
it fine
something?
now, or still you're facing the same issue?
Better, slightly better, yes.
Okay. I have a question regarding the URL, as you mentioned, right? So ideally, the organization, when they have any kind of their internal ERP system,
Hmm.
they have a
Yeah,
privilege kind of, to have a kind of, their naming convention. Like, if we talk about Reliance, they will prefer to have their name as reliance.com or something in the URL. So is it
correct.
possible, or?
It is possible, but that is not doable from our side. Oracle will
Okay.
have that customization.
So when the site will be, when they purchase the product, and at the time, they want to have their naming convention, they can do it with the Oracle, right?
Correct. But
Okay.
not in the SaaS licensing. When they go with the PaaS extensions, they will give that leverage to have that customization.
Okay, understood. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Namit. Yeah. Praveen, any question?
Actually, I'm recently joined this.
Kumar,
Hello.
Yes.
Yes,
Anyone?
actually, I am recently joined this.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, yeah, I completed MBA. Okay, it is finance and marketing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. My question is, I have a career gap is there 3 years.
Praveen, actually, batch actually started. I think you joined today. Better do
Yeah,
one
yeah.
thing.
Okay.
Uh, Verma, can you please share the number to Praveen so that they will get in touch with you? I mean, like you
Uh,
require one-to-one counseling probably, so that we can help you out offline over the call.
okay, that's why I'm already I have informed that no one is responding. That's why I'm asking you.
No. They will respond. Let them give some time because you might fill the form just in the class now. After the class, they will call you. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, sure, Praveen. No
Thank
Hi,
problem.
you. Thank you,
Kumar.
Kumar.
Thank you.
I've got a question about the Springboard. So, what
Mm-hmm.
is this quick actions that's mentioned in the Springboard?
Quick actions are what these things.
Yeah.
See, basically, within the Springboard, we have different sub-functional areas. For example, if I go to my client group, if I go to, let's say, absences, under absences, I have different functionalities coming up. These all are the configurations or the transactions here. In a quicker way, if I have to access them, just simply, I can go to my client group, quick actions, just show more, okay? And see all the functional areas, and under that whatever comes in. Let's say if I go to here, absences, within that absence functional area, whatever the configurations or transactions I have, just I can quickly access them, that's all. Or let's say if I come to new person, see, I have hired an employee, add a pending, add a non-worker, add a contingent. I can perform from here also. My client group, new person, whatever internally there under that functional area, quickly you can access them, whatever available under that. So that's why we have the button coming as quick actions. So both are similar.
All right. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Hi,
This is
Shweta.
Shweta. Yeah,
Shweta.
I have a doubt. Like, this is the page, like, the implementation team will be viewing what we are saying. Like, if we are making changes here, what type of the page might the client might view? Like,
This is
how
this is
it
the
would.
application client will use. Either we or the client. The same
Okay.
application they will use. What we are
Uh-huh.
doing is we will be starting the configurations now, module wise. We have different modules in the system, core HR, absence, everything. We are going to start
Mm-hmm.
configure them so that they will use the system in their day-to-day life. But that nothing
Okay.
like the application we use is different, client is using different. No, the same
Mm.
application we will use.
Okay, we will configure it. They will also use the
Exactly.
same
They will
thing.
use that, right?
In case after configuration, if they want to do some modification or changes in the same system, so they will raise some tickets like that.
Exactly.
Then
If it is support project, we are into the place and we are there, they will raise an enhancement ticket and we will configure or customize it accordingly. We'll get
okay,
that
okay.
slowly in our workshop on implementation and support project, how that process involved, that will be covered in that. Okay.
Okay, and one more doubt. Sorry for
No
asking
problem,
it
sir.
again
Yeah.
because I didn't grab it. Like,
Mm.
yeah, the username and password which was shared for to use this portal. If we give the same username and password, we will also get the same page like what you are showing in the screen. That's
Obviously,
what you
yeah,
mean.
yeah. This is a
Oh,
real-time application only, nothing different. In real
mhm.
time, whenever you're working for the client, whatever the application, same application is this.
Okay. You told something about the demo, right? That's why I
You'll get
didn't.
that eventually. You start
Uh,
practicing so that you will
okay.
understand what is that. Okay.
Okay, I understand. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Mark,
Please, Rajendra, please unmute and you can ask me. Hello. As Shiva, someone who is asking. Hello.
Hi, hi, Kumar, Sudhir here.
Sudhir, yes, please.
Yeah, Kumar, you are sharing this material over WhatsApp now. Can it be shared over mail? Just have this
You want it
thing
in
to be
email? Huh?
asked. Yeah. That
Yeah,
would be
sure,
better.
Sudhir.
So if
I
it
will
can be
inform them.
done, yeah.
No problem.
Yeah.
See, WhatsApp,
Thanks.
why
Thanks.
we use it? It's very handy. That is why we usually share in WhatsApp, but I will inform the team. No problem. They will share in email also. Yeah.
Hello,
Kumar,
sir.
you
This is Moin.
Yes, Moin.
So the whole video will be available for us to rewatch it.
Obviously, Moin, that is what I have told you in the session starting only. Check your portal. Everyday
Okay,
sessions
sir.
will upload into your portal. All day,
Sure, sir.
everyday session is recording. Now also session is recording. It will upload. Probably in
Thank
next
you, sir.
1 hour it will be done.
Kumar,
Issue. Yeah. Siva or issue, please.
you have shared the credentials, right? That is for only demo purpose. Again, it will be get refreshed again for next
No.
Tuesday.
That's why I'm telling. I have shared 2 environments to you. EUTH. This is a stable one.
So
This is
the
not.
HCM, in case of HCM, we need to type EUTH and Dev 19, right?
EUTH Dev 19 and the user ID I have given is HCM.stable.
Oh, this is for opening this web page, right? Okay.
Yeah, this will be open web page, correct.
Okay.
Seshu, please, you are raising the hand. What is the issue, Seshu?
Yeah, hi Kumar. So
Yes, Seshu, yes.
I have one question regarding these URLs only. So I have opened both URLs. So in the stable one, there is no security console under tools, right? But in
No,
the demo,
that's what I told. Security console we restrict because it is our private environment. If I give you security console, how can I restrict you after 5 months or 7 months?
yeah, okay, got it.
That's okay. Yeah.
Sure.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Sir,
Srinivas.
here, what is the difference between HR role and our role, sir? Accessing different.
We are the implementation consultants or we are the software engineers work on this HR tool. But we are not HRs. This is a HR related software application. This application will be used in the day-to-day HR activities. We are there in the configuration of this system. We will be working in the software companies in this technology as functional consultants or technical consultants like that. So whenever a client project comes to us, we will be deployed there and we will be configuring their software application according to their requirement so that the HRs of the client, they will use it in their day-to-day life.
It's like, whenever any employee is joining us, that we will create their user ID.
No. We won't create. That's what HRs will do that. The client side HRs. But in order to hire that, some backend data to be available to them. Like when HR hiring an employee, all their companies should come from the drop-down list or all the positions, jobs, the departments. Once we configure it and we give it, they will use it in their day-to-day life.
Okay. Sir, thank you.
Yeah. Right, team. I'll conclude here for today. So anyone yet to confirm, I don't know. I mean, I don't think so. Anyone is left over or 1 or 2 people who is yet to complete the enrollment. Please do confirm the enrollment so that you will be shared with the portal access and also adding into the WhatsApp community team. So tomorrow we'll start with our security team and then we'll proceed ahead. Thank you everyone.